Alright, I've made my way over here to Jerry's garage, the most unorganized garage in the world. It's always been like this. When we do a job, most of the job is finding the wrench or something. And I'm not going to be able to impact this. See if we can find a place to set this camera. These cameras are junk now. Junk. My pants keep falling down. People, I've lost 25 pounds in the last 2 months. The wire's in the way. I thought that wire would just slip out of there. Nothing has gone as planned. Bob said, "Oh, just a couple little bulbs. Throw a couple little bulbs in there." No, Bobby. I don't think the impact driver... Well, you got it backwards. I don't think the impact driver will work from here because of the angle. I hadn't used this sumbitch in years. It was in the floods. It still got my guy from Kmart. Long time ago. It ain't gonna work. I know I'm gonna resort to the saw. Hell, is it even working? You ought to hear that music it's making. Still got mud in it. From 2009. Ain't no grooves. It don't make no difference what you got, does it? Didn't do nothing. Absolutely nothing. There went the bit. I've lost 25 to 30 pounds by choice. I'm on the Slim Fast diet, and trust me, that motherfucker works. No, just spinning. I didn't bring the screwdriver. I brought the fucking saw, but it's got a wood blade in it, I think. And it's worn slack out. Yeah, it's a wood blade, and it's worn out. And you'd never find electricity in Jerry's garage. And if you do find it, it won't work when you find it. I don't know why he's so unorganized. I have no idea. It's just always been the way it's been. Damn. And boy, he puts it where you can't get at it. I don't understand my father. I don't. I'm amazed there's power. How am I going to cut them screws? You're going to tear that glass all to hell. This ain't never going to work. Boy, this is just like I'm going to have to get a new tag light. That's what it's looking like. I'm using a worn out wood blade, which hadn't scratched the surface. I didn't bring the flashlight. You'd never... Well, there's a sawzall there. It's got a metal blade in here. My arm was getting better, but I just tore it up. Yeah, that's got the blade's too damn long. And I can promise you it's worn out too, because it's Jerry's. So it's worn completely out. Won't do no good to saw the